Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to subtract whole numbers in application problems. Here we have an application problem. A patient has a 104-degree fever in the morning. He receives medication and his temperature goes down to 98 degrees by the afternoon. What is the difference between the patient's morning temperature and afternoon temperature? The phrase difference means that I will be subtracting, and I will be subtracting in the order that it gave me. I'm going to be subtracting morning temperature minus afternoon temperature. That means 104 subtract 98. Going in the order it was given to us, morning temperature was 104, afternoon temperature was 98, and difference means that we subtract. So this is our translated phrase that we've gotten from the question. Now let's go ahead and subtract. But before we do that, I like to line all of my numbers up so that all of the place values are lined up. And I can see I have 104 minus 98, but 4 is not big enough to subtract and get subtract 8 from. So I'm going to go borrow or ungroup from the next. So I move over to the tens column, and it's a 0, so I can't borrow or ungroup from that. So I move one more to the hundreds, and here I can ungroup or borrow, which makes this 0, and then I give it to the tens, which makes it a 10. But I still need to borrow for that 4 or ungroup. So I'm going to cross this out and make it 1 less, which is 9. And that gives me a 1 to give to the 4. Now I have 14 minus, or not a 1, a 10. So I have 14 minus 8, which gives me 6 for my answer. And then I have 9 minus 9, which is 0, and 0 minus 0, which is also 0. So my whole answer is 6. And I can write 6 degrees because we are working with an application problem. So it has a unit of degrees.